Okay, let's see what we have here today. They say US road rage 2024 brake check gone wrong.
What's wrong with you,
Yo,
dude? What are you doing, dude?
Say it again, fuckface. Put
Dude,
your finger out at me again. You're doing
what
60
the
miles an
hell?
hour. You're gonna kill somebody, you
no,
dumb.
I sped
You
up.
are a dumb fuck.
I sped up
Slow
because you
down.
pulled down in front of me.
Slow down.
You pulled out straight in front of me, bro.
Yo, wait, was that an axe, bro? Yo, like this guy is so tough. He is bloody as shit, bro. Yeah, huh? This bike man,
You pulled out
this bike
straight in
riders
front of
need
me.
to be careful, bro.
I sped up to move around you.
Don't fucking ass.
Stupid ass motherfucker, swear to God.
Bro could not say all these words when the guy was around, bro. When the guy was with the axe, because he already knew that saying something stupid will lead him into, some danger kind of stuff. So that's why he could not say anything. But after the driver left, he want to act like, yo, he is a tough guy. But we already know. So make sure you hit that subscribe button right now as we keep watching these tough road rage videos, bro. Hit the subscribe button right now. I'm begging, bro, because I want to get to the 1,000 subscribers. You already know, so I can get monetized, bro. And I will be able to be posting videos like every blessed day for my fans, bro. For people who love watching my videos. Shit. You blessed, bro. Alright. Yo! Wait. Was this car driver trying to tailgate a truck? Yo, look at what she is doing, bro. Bro, give some space. Yo. She. Yo. She.
What are you doing?
Yo. This is the reason why sometimes we don't let some old people make decision, because look at the type of decision that this man take in front of this train, bro. If this man have the mind, bro, like to risk his own life just because of fun, if somebody like this become a political leader, bro, he will destroy a whole nation, bro. He will destroy a whole nation by making some of the craziest decisions, bro. That's why sometimes it's not about how old you are, it's about how responsible you are, bro. Responsibility are mostly count. But being because he is old enough, he will be able to take care of things. Nah, bro. There are some people with 100 years of age, bro, but they could not take a better decision, even for their own life, bro. But yo, let's keep going. Bro, look at how long this train is, bro. And that man was joking in front of this type of train, bro. Yeah. Another hit.
When you're trying to break those habits, you really need to be away from the people who are still filling. Working outside, dumped the wife, and life is so good. It's from Bert. Andre's in Eltham. Andre?
Hi, Richard.
We're just talking about this notion of making a complete change to the...
Shit. Yo, intersection is always like that. They say, got my first accident on dashcam just outside Seatbelt, Washington. It appeared to be a property damage only incident, but I don't have any further update. Yeah, I think somebody might try to run a red light. I just hope like everybody's safe. That's it. Oh my gosh. And she even run a red light. She never saw her approach from behind. She run a red light. Oh my gosh.
You know, move along and make those jumps and those steps. I think
Did you see what he did?
some of these parents don't have.
What did he do? They come out?
He came out of here flying and hit that car.
Oh my god. I say it's always like that. When a driver trying to run a red light, the thing that some people fail to realize is that, when you are on an intersection, bro, you have to patient for the red light because nobody's going to wait for you. Everybody is waiting for the red light to just finish like over. They have the green light, is their own turn. So if it's not your own time to pass, bro, have some patience because nobody is going to wait for you. Nobody is going to wait for you. You are endangering your own life and other people's life. So that's it. Yo, so if you are watching this video, you are a driver, have some patience anytime you are on an intersection, bro. Because nobody is going to wait for you. Like your own turn is over. Another person green light, don't get into it, bro.
¿Qué hizo? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
Moron.
Mateo, por favor. Mateo, espérese.
Your health is your biggest asset. Find Anthem Blue Cross plan starting at $0 a month. Apply in 5 to 10 minutes for a secure future at healthforcalifornia.com.
¿Qué hizo? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
Moron.
Mateo, por favor. Mateo, espérese.
Your health is your biggest asset. Find Anthem Blue Cross.
They make one now, I'm sure. And I think they really probably extra stressed out the fucking Watch out. God, you're fucking kidding me. Not even a fucking year and this car is wrecked. Really? Did you watch when you were fucking backing up? Calm down. I'm okay.
you're gonna pull that crap on me, huh? Fuck you. Motherfuckers, I hate these fucking cocksuckers. Oh. Bitch.
Yo. What the hell? Shit! Like, yo, some people actually got so much money, bro. Like, they have so much money to spend, bro. They have so much money because, like, the insurance alone, you are going to pay for that your own car and pay for the next car, and police will serve you a ticket, bro. And you have to pay a fine for that. Yo, that's it. When you have so much money, you do stupid things so that you will spend the money on them. Oh my gosh.
Fuck. Presto.
Believes that once you get to the NFL, the talent is so pretty equal.
Jesus Christ.
See, I was making a left turn when a man crashed into me, claiming I had pulled into his lane. Thankfully, my high quality dashcam provided, otherwise saving me a few $1,000s. Bro, by the way, your dashcam quality is very high, I'm not gonna lie. Yo,
The difference
so
Fuck, bro.
ADL's 2173. Press the button right there.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we just said they were.
I heard him and I knew it was going to happen.
Oh, Cameron, I'm so.
It's okay.
I was just sitting here though.
It's okay. Well, he just went running through.
Should I shut it off?
No, press SOS and just talk to Volkswagen.
Connecting to emergency call center. To end this call, please press the button again.
Your response, I have your location here as 155 McDonald Parkway. Can you confirm?
Yeah, we were just rear-ended bad.
You were just rear-ended. Are you injured?
No, I don't think so. But we were.
Okay. And there were just 2 cars involved, right?
Yeah, there, and then we were at a red light and he just barreled into us.
Okay, and you're in a 2017 blue Golf?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the other vehicle?
There's.
Yo, so these are the damages. So yo guys, so thanks for watching the video till the end. I appreciate that. So you can hit the subscribe button by helping me, bro. That's the only help I want from you right now is to hit the subscribe button. If you have any video you want to send in for me, under the description of this video, I'll put a link where you can send me a video so that I will react on it. Thanks for watching.